the rumba. This is rumba beat, rumba. So what I play in this video is like this. Okay, like this. Okay, slide to so. Okay, like this. Okay, this is it. Okay, mind you, we are on the key of E. This is the key of E. Okay, so what I'm playing here is like this. So what I play here is like this. The first part like this. Okay. Third string, second string, and first string. Okay. Then you play this chord here, this A chord here. Okay. 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 This is the first rumba beat here. This is the first rumba beat. So the second rumba beat is like this. I'm playing like this. This is the second rumba beat here. Now, the second rumba beat is like this. Which is 1 1 7 6. Okay, 1 1 7 6. This is the first part here. That's the first part. Then so coming. Okay. Then I play so coming. Okay. So coming. Okay. Then I play which is which is your 2 5 2. Okay. 2 5 2, which is first string, second string, and first string. Okay. Then the third part here is like it. So let's combine the first part and second part. Okay. Okay. Mi so fa mi. So this is the last part. The last part is that okay. The last part is like this. Okay. This is what I'm playing here. This is the rumba beat I'm playing here. This is the second rumba beat. Okay. So the third rumba beat here will come to this octave, okay? The third one is like this. So the third rumba beat, the third one is like this, okay? It's on this shape. That same E, string E, okay? Second string here. So the third rumba beat is like this. Mi, do, re, okay? Mi, do, re, mi, do, re. Okay? Mi, 3, 1, 2, okay? That's the first one. First string, second string, and second string here, okay? Then I play so, which is 5, 7, okay? 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 So it's like this. Okay, so it's like this, which is mi, do, re, so you can play other one like this. You can play two strings, okay? Which is okay. This is the third one, okay? So there is something like this. Okay, like this. This is what I play here. Then if I come to this octave, I come back. Okay, this is it. So let's come to that shape. Let's come to this part here now. So I come back here and play the rhythm part of it here. It's like this. That's the rhythm, okay? So which is your D here on E. This is your A, D, okay? come here. Okay, so there is something that I will apply here. Okay, so I'm still on this shape. This will. Okay, so okay, the first one again. So I'll play. So I can play like this. Okay, yeah, I'll play something like this. Okay, so okay.